Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is B030322030. I'm a student of B030322030 Polytechnic from class 2B Heavy Equipment. And here I want to present about how to operate the off-highway truck unit. Today, I will describe this unit and explain how to operate it. Before that, I will tell you the rules while I'm presenting this in front of you. First, please turn off your cell phone or silent mode. Second, please do not discuss. And lastly, this duration is not more or less 5 minutes. Part of the presentation. First, unit introduction. What does off-highway truck mean? Second, describe component. What are the components contained in off-highway truck? Third, operation of the unit or how the unit works. And the last, for closing conclusion. Unit introduction. At many sites, heavy equipment is no less important than excavator on other heavy equipment. This heavy equipment is an off-highway truck where these heavy equipment are rolled in the overburden removal process. As the name suggests, this heavy equipment is of the truck type and is generally used in mining area to move materials. As with other types of truck, off-highway dump trucks are equipped with vessels or open bodies that can be moved up and down using hydraulics. This makes the process of loading and unloading material easier. Okay, and the part describe the component. And the first is canopy spillboard, and second, operator cap. Third, dam body. Four, wheel motor. Five, rear tire. Six, front wheel. Seven, turn lamp. And eight, radiator. And nine, air cleaner. Okay. Before the operation the unit, check the condition and feasibility of the tool in accordance with safety standard. Use the necessary personal protective equipment such as high visibility vest, safety helmet, safety shoes and safety glass, mask, glove, and earplug. Steps to operate a dump truck. First, turning on and setting up the machine. First of all, start by starting the dump truck engine. Make sure the RPM needle is idle or silent. Then, set the transmission lever to neutral and leave the handbrake to lock the truck's position. 2. Start operating the dump truck. Proceed with turning on the PO hazard lights and alarm if available. The goal is to personal signal that the truck is about to operate a hydraulic pump. Then, fully step on the pedal on clutch A. 3. Preparation of raising the top. Next, you can raise the main dump truck by pulling the PTO lever towards the rear wide until the RPM needle is higher than the idle RPM. 4. Start raising the body. Pull the hydraulic pump lever to rise the body and slowly release the step on the clutch pedal. The top will start to raise slowly. If you need more power, To raise the body, step on the gas pedal slowly so that the hydraulic power increases. 5. Maintain position. When the top is fully raised, depress the clutch pedal, then push the PTO lever in neutral so that the top is in a raised condition without the possibility of going down. While how to lower the top fairly easy. You only need to return the hydraulic pump lever to a neutral state where you don't step on the gas pedal. Later the top will come back down. Okay, that's all saying. And the last part for my presentation. Conclusive, whereas an off-highway truck is a type of unit capable of transporting material loads, moving and disposing of material, which can be loaded with excavator, big loader, and other units. Well, thank you very much for your time and attention. See you.